party.
We begin our party is named the Door of World English.
A poem recited by pupils of the third form.
My town, I see the snow. It is white and light. I remember all I know, and I want to write. Then I lift my eyes to sky. It is full of shine. It is full of shine, and I saw no white. All I see is mine.
1. Eat your bun. 2. Look at the kangaroo. 3. Look at the bee. 4. Open the door. 5. Take the knife. 6. Take the sticks. 7. Count to 11. 8. Stop and wait. 9. You are fine. 10. Say it all again. 11 and 12. We are very well.
What is red? What is red? Asks little Fred. His brother says, the rose is red. What is white? My Kate white. Do you see me, little Kate? What is gray? No, can you say? Yes, I can. The mouse is gray. What is black? My cat black.
A song, My Bunny, sung by Yasin, sixth form.
이 구애를 먹던 video слышишь, молодец.
My bunny lies over the ocean. My bunny lies over the sea. My bunny lies over the ocean. My bring back my bunny to me. Bring back my bunny.
150th anniversary, which was included in the UNESCO list of anniversaries for 2022-2024.
A poem recited by pupils of the ninth floor.
Braidesner was born in 1872 in a small village in the coastal region. He began his teaching career during in 1895 in 1889 in coastal region. He began his teaching career during in 1895 in the 1909
Braidesner decided from the Arabic alphabet in accordance with the phonetic rates of the Kazakh language to raise the national level. As it is known today, Braidesner's alphabet came into use 1912 and a new жаңа emblem, new orthograph had 24 letters and a special mark.
Braidesner remembers the alphabet names. In 1912, he excluded as purely Arabic, not used in the Kazakh language, and added later specific and language Kazakh. The new named alphabet, named Tojirazu, is it by Kazakh living in China, Afghanistan, and in Iran.
A song, On the Back of the Aras, sung by Ayolum, 11th form.
Harry Potter. 2. Kasno Mohammed. South Kazakhstan. Tulebi region. Tulebi street. Number 227. Secondary school. Number 2. Bashuhan Walikhanov. Student 7th form D.
Welcome to Magic School Hogwarts for young wizards. The name whose I call welcome to forward, and I will put on the sorting hat.
Good morning, students. Welcome to your first flying lesson. Everyone step up on the left side of your brooms and say up.
Students, welcome to our magical lesson. I am very glad to see you. You haven't forgotten the wonderful hand movements we learned. Cat songs, the air and the swim, all together.
I'm back. Another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better.
DJ, bring that back. You ain't never heard a track like that. Booty go clap. Pull up the keys. Looking like a tease. When I rock, make it rock in my car. And it bang, bang, bang like go blah, blah, blah.